Today's topic is creating face swap videos featuring multiple faces using free online tools.
I'll also show you an example of a face swap I did.
At the end, I'll share the results. First, go to this Google Colab link and access the tool. After logging in with your Google account, you'll see 3 cells. Ensure you're connected by clicking the Connect button to link the GPU. Hit Run Away to start the process. Be patient as these cells may take some time to complete. Once done, you'll get a green checkmark. Now run the second cell and check for the green checkmark to confirm success. Before running the third cell, open the Files window by clicking on the left panel. Upload your video footage and images by clicking here, selecting the files and hitting Open. If you see a warning notification, click OK to proceed. Click the 3 dots next to your uploaded video or right-click on it and choose Copy Path. Paste this path where it says Target in the third cell. Do the same for the first image by copying its path and pasting it where it says Source. Enter the command to specify which face you want to change. The number represents the face's position from the left, starting with 0. I'm using 0 to swap the first face from the left. Click the play icon to run the third cell. The process will start and you'll need to wait until it's complete. Wait for the green checkmark. If your video isn't visible, click refresh. Your new video will be labeled as swap.mp4. To swap another face, you can just repeat the process. The target video will now be swapped.mp4. Right-click on it, rename it, then right-click again and choose Copy Path. Paste this path in the third cell where it says Target. Update the image path in the same way and don't forget to adjust the face number. Continue this process for all faces you want to fake. Once you're done, click the 3 dots next to the swap.mp4 and select Download to save it to your computer. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.